What's up everyone, CJ here, hope you're all doing well. In this drum lesson, I'm gonna show you a quick warm-up which is suitable for any drummer at any level. So whether you're a beginner or a more advanced drummer, this is perfect if you wanna get warm and relaxed before a practice session or a performance. And the best thing about this warm-up, you only have to do it for about 5 minutes and you're good to go. The sticking for this warm-up is right, left, kick, kick, right, left, kick, kick, right, kick, left, kick, right, kick, left, kick. Now, if you're not used to alternating between your hands and feet, this can be a lot tougher than it sounds, but at the same time, perfect practice for just that. Set your metronome at a comfortable tempo. For this lesson, I'm gonna start at 70 BPM. And the challenge is to play the warm-up for about 1 minute and then increase the tempo with 10 BPM for each minute. So if I start at 70 BPM, the fifth and last minute I'll play will be at 110 BPM. Alright you guys, here's the warm-up, and remember, for optimal warm-up, make sure to move your hands around the entire drum set. And there you go, guys. You can of course play this warm-up with your left foot on the hi-hat as well, or if you have a double pedal. I hope you enjoyed this warm-up, everyone, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe as well. I really appreciate it. Now, if you want to turn this warm-up into a cool drum fill, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and good luck with your drumming. I'll see you soon.